My number one supplement ever. Okay, so we're gonna do some more mobility. Up the weight to 2 plates. Setup is 1000% the worst part of this workout. I can't. Nope. Do a little Trader Joe's haul. Looks freaking delicious. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Literally just went all the way to the gym and back because I forgot the cord that I needed to connect my mic to my camera. And we cannot have that because we are doing a mic'd up gym vlog. Oh, she wanted to come say hi, I guess. This is Azalea, if you haven't met her yet. I am putting my boyfriend through my full leg day. It's gonna be intense, it's gonna be good, we're gonna push each other. It should be a really fun and entertaining vlog. It's gonna be like fully mic'd up. I'm going to show you guys the pre-workout that I took today. Today's pre-workout was the One Soul Mango Guava pre-workout. I love this stuff so much. This is my favorite flavor of their pre-workout, so try it if you have not. Of course, if you want to try anything, you can always use my code Lindsey to save. I'm going to show you a couple of my favorites from them, and also I'm going to tell you a little bit more about creatine. My number one supplement ever. Creatine has a lot of amazing benefits, but simply put, creatine helps you restore the usable energy in your body. It gives ADP a phosphate so that it can be turned into ATP and it can be used as the body's source of energy. Helps you push yourself harder in the gym, which means more muscle gain, less recovery time, more endurance, and as well as it has a lot of other amazing brain cell benefits because it's also found in the brain as well as the muscles. Creatine is the most researched supplement out there and it is amazing. It is natural as well, okay? We'll try to compare creatine to steroids and that is just fully incorrect, okay? Creatine is a natural supplement that is already found in the body. It is not a steroid. It is not magical, but it is amazing. My favorite protein powder from them is their newest flavor, the unicorn milkshake. This stuff is absolutely delicious. I had a whole hyperfixation on this for weeks straight until I went on vacation, so it kind of broke that. It's creamy, it is a little fruity, but mostly just sweet and just delicious. This is my number one flavor. If you're gonna try a protein, please try this one first. I just wanted to show you guys some of my favorite products. You use my code. Thank you guys so much for your support and let me know when you do so I can personally thank you. We are about to head to the gym though, so I will see you guys there. I'm here with
Dejan Price.
And we are about to hit a full leg day.
Glutes and do a warm up.
We're about to warm up right now, so let's get to it. It is warm up time. My stomach kind of need to eat a little bit. I'm gonna be doing a full like warm up routine video, but I'm gonna just like speed through this for you guys. Okay, so we're gonna do some more mobility focused stuff. Oh, did you hear that? My whole leg just popped. Oh my gosh, this is not fun for my knee. Okay, switch. Switch. This is a lot harder than it looks, but I've been practicing this for months and months, so okay. We're getting this tire, which is really not the best for these, but we're doing it anyways. It's that way we got. This is my least favorite part because to freaking figure out where this mat should go so that I'm not sitting straight on the turf because I don't want to mess up my leggings.
How far do you want it?
Push it back a little more. A little more. Okay, that should be good.
45, 45.
Cool. Let's start off with a little warm up set. So 45 and a 25 on each side. I freaking hate putting these stupid things on. Setup is 1000% the worst part of this workout. Barbell pad, which you probably noticed if you've been following me for a while. It's from Upper Gear, and I love it. I hope you guys can even see me. This is the new barbell pad. It's super nice and thick. Like it's super thick. Okay, so first workout, we are doing bridges. This is our warm-up set. I'm gonna pretty much do, oh my gosh, until failure. And that's gonna be our warm-up set. Let's get it. Oh my gosh, that just literally squished my uterus. Okay, warm-up set complete. It is his turn now. Up the weight to 2 plates. This is gonna be our working set. I don't think we're gonna go past this weight today, honestly. I'm not sure yet, though. I will keep you guys updated, obviously. I'm really not looking forward to this. We're gonna do this. This is like the worst before your period because it's literally crushing my uterus. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna do slow reps. I feel like my feet are uneven. Are they uneven? Ouch, my toenail. Okay. Okay, I'm good. I'm not gonna film the next 2 sets because I need to film a form video on my phone. We'll see you guys next workout. Bulgarian split squats. Gotta get like the form perfected first.
Here, just stretching it out before we get into it.
Okay. My quad.
Nothing too crazy.
That was a good stretch, but oh my gosh. I hate these so much. These are terrible. It's like the worst workout that exists. Okay, ready, set. Okay, I'm way too close. I can't. Nope. I'm lightheaded. Hold on. We're about to do the other leg. Ugh. Ah! Jeez. You spooked me. Not good. I don't want to do these.
One more set. Let's do one more set, then we can leave. Or one more set.
One more set.
One more set, then we can go on.
We didn't even finish the first set.
I did.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
You didn't do both legs.
Well, I didn't do one leg, so I'm gonna do one leg.
Okay, so you didn't.
I'm gonna do one leg. You didn't even finish both of them.
That's the point.
Yeah.
I just said we didn't finish the first
So
set.
I'm not gonna let her leave without doing it. Come on, let's go.
3, 2. This just feels wrong in so many ways. This is like not. I'm doing it on this side.
Wanna do it without me?
Bub, I can't even. Oh no, there you go. Yay, you did a lot better than I did. Next.
Next is what?
Yes, we only did 1 set. Shh.
No.
Shh. No, we're doing 1 set. I don't care. I'm gonna be real with you guys. I give up on those. That don't feel right in any way.
Boy.
I usually just do those on Smith machine, but the Smith machine is taken.
Like, they'd be like, I'm like, that's so odd, because you can like anybody who wants to move.
We are about to do B stance, RDLs for takeoff. This is preparing for, no. Ready, set, go. No, wait, give it a little second rest because you don't want to be tired going into your set. Okay, I literally just said give it a second rest. Gotta stack the feet like this. This music is so loud. It's gonna be messing up my video, so I'm gonna have to probably mute and play video or play music over it. Oh. Stack and stand. This is my stronger leg. Second, that is done. Oh my gosh. That. Okay. Probably down. Okay, and then this one. Okay, we're going slow. This leg is just kind of gonna be here. Okay. We're gonna have 5 second. Hold. Oh gosh. Ready? 5 seconds down. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2. 5 seconds up. That's all I'm gonna film of this workout, but I'm gonna take you guys to Trader Joe's with us. Do a little Trader Joe's haul because I forgot my camera. So I'm gonna show you what I got though. Thing, I got the Taki dupe chips. These are so good. Literally better than Takis in my opinion. I already ate some in the car. So got some pumpkin bread mix because I really wanna make pumpkin bread and then I wanna make French toast with it too because I tried that at a restaurant the other day and it was so good. So I wanna make that. Get pumpkin brioche. So we have both options of pumpkin breads for French toast. One of my favorite snacks, the cashew butter cashews. These are so freaking good. I put people on these and they're like addicted to them because they're that good. Trying them. Grab the frozen stuff. 2 things I got. Sweet potato fries. Their sweet potato fries are so good, like the best frozen sweet potato fries I've tried. Then the, I don't know how to say this, brigadeiros, these fudgy chocolate bonbon things with sprinkles on them. Tried these in the car as well. These are so good. It literally is like a frozen, you know, like the kind of fudge that you would put on like ice cream, that kind of fudge with sprinkles. Oh guys, Trader Joe's is kind of unmatched. Like, I love all their meals. I love their snacks. It's so good. It's so good. Currently warming up some autumn squash soup. This stuff is really, really good. I got this at Sam's Club. I have also some Parmesan chicken and then rice. So we're gonna have a little meal. We're gonna get a little behind the scenes for this haul, all right? I got my first box of meal prep. This is from Flex Pro Meals and I'm so excited because I'm going to be working with them. A little unboxing. I have been in search of a good meal prep company for so long and I'm so excited to be working with one. Showing you some of my meals because I'm so excited. First thing I got is the cake bites. These are the assorted flavors because I wanted to try all of them to see which ones I liked the best. These also have 12 grams of protein in them. Meals are very macro friendly. They literally have the macros on the container. So this one is the Chipotle bowl. I'm so excited to try all these meals. Again, you can use my code Lindsey to save. I'll put my link as well in the description. we're about to be eating good. It's bulking season, baby, and I have been slacking on my calories. So this is going to be such a perfect way for me to get my calories in, because I need to be on top of my stuff. Let's heat it up, the Marry Me chicken. I'll be back vlogging. I've honestly missed vlogging. I barely see that every single time I vlog ever. Definitely gonna try to vlog more and pick back up on that game. See if it's ready. Oh, it's definitely ready. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. So good. Some electrolytes. These are the electrolytes that I've been using. My mom got them, so I just use hers. The Ultima Replenisher. These are from Sprouts, I believe, but you can get them at like different health food stores. And these are blue raspberry flavor because I love blue raspberry flavor. I'm so excited. It kind of makes me drink more water, as well as like obviously replenishes the minerals that I've lost when I didn't take a sip of water during my entire workout. Honestly, anything blue is so appetizing to me. I need you guys to settle in the comments. Is your favorite flavor? Like for candies and whatever, what is the flavor that you always go for? Because mine is blue raspberry. Like, it's called Marry Me Chicken. It's chicken with like mushrooms and mashed potato. Looks freaking delicious. Oh, that smells so good. That's good. This is literally a game changer. Like, I don't think you understand. Having meal prep is literally a game changer. Like, savor it so much, but like, I want to eat everything right now, but I'm going to warm it up more, and I'm going to watch 90210 while I eat. I'm going to be doing a video about bulking and also kind of taking you guys along maybe what I eat in a day for my bulking journey, which I'm going to really kickstart probably this next coming week. Last month or so has been kind of difficult for me. Lots of changes mentally and just like life, and I'm really just excited for this next chapter. I'm excited to like really get stuff figured out for myself. I'm so thankful for you guys for watching this video. If you got to this point, comment your flavor, okay? I'm going to enjoy this. I hope you guys are about to enjoy a nice meal too, but I'm gonna head out. I appreciate you guys for watching. I will see you next time, and have a blessed day. Mwah!